I turned on my Steam Deck and it was caught in a weird boot loop. The screen was completely blank, the white power light was flashing, and the fan would turn on full blast and then stop, and then turn on again and then stop. And holding the power button down would turn the deck off, but turning it back on, it would do the same thing. I didn't get anything on the screen, not a boot logo. I even tried to boot into the BIOS by holding down the volume down button while holding the power button, the volume up button while holding the power button, and several other button tricks didn't work. It appears that there's some battery calibration issue. Some people can fix this by just letting the deck completely drain the battery, and then you can plug the deck in from the AC power adapter and then turn it back on. But I tried something a little different, and it worked. I opened up my deck and disconnected the battery. After reconnecting the battery, the deck booted out just fine. In order to disconnect the battery, you need to remove the 8 screws from the back using a Torx screwdriver and a regular guitar pick to pry the seams apart. And once the back is off, you have to remove a heat shield that protects the SSD. Once you do that, you can find the battery connection to the left of the battery. Just pull the cloth tab to disconnect it, wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. After that, confirm that the deck boots up before you reassemble the deck. If this doesn't work, then you might have to contact Steam support. The OLED Steam Decks really aren't old enough to really need a battery replacement. Try replacing the battery. This is a weird issue that I ran into, and I was afraid I was going to have to re-image my deck or send it in for repair, but I was able to recover this issue by disconnecting the battery physically. And I hope that this helps some of you so that you can recover your deck if you run into this weird issue too.